there's no personal credit score or personal guarantee needed. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So for today's video, we have another exclusive credit review. But before we dive into the video, I wanted to remind everyone, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. If you are interested in a consultation, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. But in today's video, we have another business credit review to share with you where you can get a business credit card as well as business funding with only a 550 credit score. And you also get access to information on business grants. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Funded. So Funded is the business finance platform for growth where you can get access to capital from several different funders through Funded Capital and all the resources you need to make your business finance simple. So they offer business capital. We're going to go over each of these so you could apply for capital. They do have a business credit card. So this is going to help you with building your business credit. And they also have a database of business grants where you could search for different grants. So again, their platform offers 3 different services: business funding, a business building credit card, as well as access to grant information. They have a grant marketplace that has information on different grants. So they aggregate a lot of the grant information across the web and put it into one centralized location. And so these are just some examples of some of the latest grant programs. And you can click on each of these to get a little bit more detail about these individual grants. I'm not going to go over that in this video, but what they do have, which is very exciting, they do have a business credit card. So this is going to be the Funded Business Visa, business credit extended without a personal guarantee. So there's no personal guarantee, there's no personal credit check, and you could get approved based off of your business's financial history. Now, this is going to be very similar to a lot of other, fintech types of accounts that we've reviewed where, they're basically looking at your banking activity. So right now there is a wait list. So if you put your information here, your first name, your work email, number of employees, how long you've been in business, and, your state, as well as, what your intentions are for growing your company. Now, some of the features: there's no personal credit score or personal guarantee needed. There's no annual fees, and they offer a business expense management card based on your business's performance. So again, you're going to be plugging into Plaid, and they're going to be looking at your business activity, your banking activity, your transactions, and based off of that, they'll be able to give you a credit limit. So I'm not too sure yet if this is actually going to be like a revolving account or if they give you multiple repayment options. That is yet to be determined, but we will definitely do an update when this actually drops. So if you do want to get on the wait list, I dropped a link in the description of the video, so you could definitely check that out. But besides the business credit card, they also have Funded Capital. So you can get access to capital to grow your business, whether that's investing in marketing, growing your team, so hiring contractors or employees, or purchasing equipment and inventory. Some of the requirements is that you have to be in operation for at least 6 months, and you have to generate at least $4,000 in monthly revenue and have at least a 550 FICO personal credit score. So these requirements are going to be much lower than you would find at other types of lenders where usually you need at least 10,000. Their minimum monthly revenue is only 4,000. So that's going to open the door for a lot of businesses. And part of their mission is to serve underserved businesses that traditionally can't get funding from some of the big banks, right? So, if you're having trouble going to major institutions, maybe because your credit is too low or your income is too low, Funded is definitely a solution that you could seek out. They offer a variety of different funding options, including receivables, lines of credit, term loans, invoice factoring, as well as equipment financing. Now, the process is pretty straightforward. If you're interested, you just click this button right here. I'm not going to go through the entire application because it's very, very straightforward. You're going to be entering some business information. You will link up to Plaid, and then from there, a representative will reach out to you and provide you with different offers. And then from there, you could select which offer you want to move forward with. So as they have it laid out right here, this is how it works. You're going to fill out a simple application. There's no fee or your obligation, and applying will not affect your credit. You'll receive options and offers with your dedicated funding advisor and pick the solution that works best for you. And then you can get capital in as little as 24 hours wired directly into your business bank account. And then after that, you can start putting that money to use to grow your business. Now let's go over some of the frequently asked questions. So what are the requirements to apply? So applicants need to meet the following requirements to have a greater chance of receiving an offer: 4,000 in monthly revenue, 550 FICO credit score, and at least 6 months time in business. Will my credit be impacted when I apply? Not at all. By applying, your credit will not be impacted without your consent. Your application will be reviewed by a funding advisor, and a dedicated advisor will walk you through the next steps and any potential credit checks in the process before they occur. So after you get your offer, if you wish to proceed with a particular offer at that point, then it may or it may not be a hard pull. It all depends. So Funded basically has a marketplace of direct lenders on the back end where they match you up with. Now, in terms of documentation, you will need to connect to your business bank account via Plaid or upload your last 3 months of bank statements. During the underwriting process, additional documents may be requested based on specific lender requirements. All right, so just to recap, Funded is a marketplace that offers grants as well as a business credit card that's dropping this summer 2022, and a marketplace for different funding resources, whether that's term loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, and so forth. So they offer 3 different products that can help businesses grow their business, either through grants, which is going to be free money. You also have the business card, which will help you build business credit. And then you have other unsecured as well as secure financing options. So if anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.